Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Illustrator brand assets with Creative Cloud libraries step by step clearly. Open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Ensure you are signed in to your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Create a new document or open an existing one. Locate the Libraries panel on the right side of the workspace. If the Libraries panel is not visible, go to the Window menu and select Libraries. In the Libraries panel, click on the plus icon to create a new library. Give your library a descriptive name related to your brand assets. Now, let's start adding assets to your library. To add colors, select the color you want to save from the toolbar or color panel. Click on the color in the color panel, then click the Add Fill Color button in the Libraries panel. For adding text styles, select the text you want to save. Adjust the font, size, and style as needed. In the Character panel, click the Add Character Style button in the Libraries panel. To save graphics or logos, select the desired object on your artboard. Drag and drop the selected object into the Libraries panel. You can also right-click on the object, then select Add to Library. For adding brushes, open the Brushes panel and choose the brush you want to save. Click on the brush and drag it to your library. To organize your assets, you can create folders within the library. Simply click the folder icon at the bottom of the Libraries panel. Now, drag and drop the assets into the appropriate folders. If you need to access your library on another device, ensure you are logged into the same Creative Cloud account. You can find your libraries in any compatible Adobe software installed on that device. To share your library with team members, click on the Share icon in the Libraries panel. Select the people you want to share with or create a link for external sharing. Remember to keep your assets updated as your brand evolves. Regularly review and refine your library for a streamlined workflow. With these steps completed, your Illustrator brand assets are now configured and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.